Hey everybody, so the final stages of our G82 build is about to be underway. We've got the engine to do, so we're going to go through that with you. We've got the rear corners to do, we've got the rear band to do as well, and we've got the arch liners to do for the clearance as well. So Isaac, if you come over here. So these are our arch liners, so aluminium. So they're nice and lightweight, so I'll be showing you how to fit these. And obviously the engine dress up, which is all our carbon range, and it is all pre-preg tricarbon fibre. So moving to the car, so we're going to be taking these off just to get these replaced. So these are going for carbon fibre, and then the band on the back, I just think that's a little bit too gloss black, so we're going to go carbon fibre on this as well. So we'll show you how to do that, and then on the engine as well. So yeah, we'll go through step by step how to do it. But this is the final stage of our build on this G82. Don't believe there's anything else really we need to do to it. A lot of people say, why are you not doing engine mods and all that kind of thing? We're not about that. We're more about the cosmetic side of things. So we've got really no reason to do the engine on this car. Might do the front air intakes, you know, the front mounts, but undecided on that yet. But styling wise, this is the last thing that we're going to do to it. So enjoy the video, and we'll come back to you at the end, and we'll go through everything when it's fitted. Everybody, okay, so that is the G82 nearly finished. I know I said at the beginning of this video that it was going to be finished, but there's a couple of little bits that I've noticed on the engine which need to be covered. All this engine compartment is our own carbon range, so those will be available on the website in January 2025. So Isaac, if you just move a bit closer with the camera. So as you can see, the coverage is really nice. We've got the strut brace in Sao Paulo yellow, but this is just letting it down a little bit in here, so we need to get that covered. I'm not too sure about the back. I think that'll clean up quite nicely, so I don't think that needs to be carbon. I think it's just going to end up being too much, but definitely these areas down here. So yeah, just leave a comment down below and just let us know what you think. Let us know if you think we should do these. This is our 2025 show season, so I think the first show is going to be in April of 2025, which is the Ultimate BMW meet. So you're going to be able to see the car there. We're going to get everything done by then, so these bits are going to be covered as well. And then if we come to the rear, so this was a little bit of controversy at the beginning. I wasn't very sure what I was going to do with this. I was going to leave it gloss black, or if we're going to change it to carbon. As you can see, I've made the decision to change it to carbon, which again is our own range of carbon. And these are the MHC from Reese at R44 Performance. We got these off him. I just think it complements the Remus exhaust really nice. And as you can expect, a perfect fit. And then just moving up, CT Carbon, thank you for this one. And obviously just mentioning everybody again that's been involved in the build. The MW4 wheels from Mike at Motec, and the stand springs, and the side skirts and the side extension is again CT Carbon. Mirror caps, they're OEM, and the splitter is CT Carbon as well. So thank you to all those guys for getting involved. The last part of the build is going to be these. These are going to be quite special. They're going to come from Nathan at Carbon Culture, much as the arch guards did as well, and the M1, M2 buttons. And then our steering wheel inside the car. That is our own range of carbon as well. And that is the new 2025 style steering wheel, and that is heated as well. And because we got the M1 M2 buttons from Nathan at Carbon Culture in Sao Paulo yellow, I think Isaac, if you come around this side, you can see the backs of the paddle shifters we naturally went yellow as well, which ties everything nicely. So that is it. That is the build nearly finished, apart from these bits here, as I mentioned before. So we'll make another quick video on those when we get them. So let us know what you think. Leave a comment, leave a like, and yeah, we'll hopefully see everybody in 2025 for show season. The car is going to be at our stand. You won't be able to miss the stand. It's huge. So yeah, we look forward to seeing you all then. Enjoy.